how to get a reply option on Instagram is today's video. So the first thing, guys, you need to do, you want to go to your Instagram account, of course. As you reply to a specific message, like this message, for example, I only see two options, which is copy and report. Like, I don't see the reply option or where I can like react to the message. So that's exactly why I made this video, to help you solve this problem. So the first thing, guys, you need to do, I'm gonna be showing you a couple of methods that you can do to make this work. Okay, I know that a lot of people updated the app, but still the problem is not resolved. Like, still you can see, still the reply option is still missing on their account. So you want to click your profile picture at the very bottom right, and then click three lines in the top right, and then after that you want to click on settings. And after you click on settings, in the top it will say there update messaging. You want to click on update messaging. Don't worry if you don't see it, I'm still going to show you a couple of methods that will get you the reply options, the reply option on your Instagram. So if you can see your update messaging, you want to click on update messaging. But if you don't see it, go to your app store and search for Instagram. Okay, and after you search on Instagram, you want to update the app to the latest version. If you see their open instead of update, that means you have the latest version of Instagram. But if you see their update, you want to update the app and then go back to the same settings that I showed you at the beginning. Go to your Instagram and then click three lines in the top right, and then click settings and click on update messaging. In the top you will see their update messaging. But if you don't see it, I'm going to be showing you another method which will work for a lot of people. You want to go to settings. If you are using Android, the same process for both devices. You want to go to settings and click on general, and after you click on general, you want to click on language and region, and click on, in the top you will see the iPhone language. You want to click it and click on English UK instead of you say English, United States English. You want to click on UK English. I can't click it because the iPhone is going to stop recording this video. If I click it, it will stop recording. You just click English UK and then go back to your Instagram, and you will find that you can then you can reply to a specific message, and you can also react to any message. So that's exactly how you can have the reply option on Instagram. Let me know in the comments if this